Apple released 3 iPhones in 2019. CINO now tests iPhone 11 Pro Max for user experience. Behind the fuselage is a matte design. Compared with iPhone XS, the smooth surface becomes a matte one, and the logo has been placed in the middle. As you can see, the front has no change at all. Without checking its back, you hardly know it is iPhone 11 Pro Max. No change with the same notch. Compared with iPhone XS Max, it feels obviously heavier when holding it long. The charging connector of iPhone 11 Pro Max has changed a lot. Not 5 watts anymore, but 18 watts fast charging connector. It is much bigger. However, it is quite normal among other brand phones. It is the camera that many people find the most disappointing. It looks incongruous compared with the previous iPhones. Nevertheless, the camera fits on the phone smoothly and feels comfortable. It is good overall. The screen of Pro Series is upgraded Super Retina XDR. Its contrast ratio hits up to 2 million to 1. The brightness goes from 625 nits to 800 nits, and up to as high as 1200 nits. The screen can display clearly in the sun. In addition, its power dissipation has been reduced by 15% or so. A13 Bionic, the best chip ever. iPhone 11 series adopt A13 chip, left to right. iPhone Pro Max, iPhone Xs, iPhone 10. Type star 3001-12345-star to check the baseband. iPhone 11 series apply Intel baseband as the last generation. Test iPhone Pro Max performance score with Antutu. It runs a high score 453,575 and the running temperature is 37.2 degrees centigrade. It makes no improvement on heating issue. How is its signal, as many users wonder? Since iPhone 11 series still apply Intel baseband, so the same with last generation iPhone. Some people said that the baseband has been optimized on the internet. Therefore, CINO tests it on some place where signal is bad. Left to right, iPhone Pro Max, Huawei P20, and iPhone 10. There is weak signal on iPhone 11 Pro Max, while the signal of a Huawei phone is perfect. This is a downside of iPhone 11 series. The shooting button has been replaced on bottom other than top. A touch on screen will bring it out. More convenience than previous iPhones. You can shoot with one hand all along. The triple camera design is most noteworthy. How does it perform? CINO tested in Shenzhen Bay. Inspect its shooting performance in the light. iPhone 11 series have black technology in shooting. Whether it is the double camera of iPhone 11 or the triple camera of iPhone Pro. Whenever you shoot with rear camera, all the cameras work at the same time. In the dragging and zooming, as a digital single lens reflex, have extremely fluency. Above, CINO has compared the camera performance between iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 10 in the same distance. The ultra-wide camera has a broader vision. No more black bars. The night mode is similar with HDR. It functions in accordance with brightness. It is the best in all brand phones. This is CINO's review on iPhone Pro Max in a week. If any question, please leave a message on the comment area.